working on my energy. Cleaning up, I'm taking care of myself and me. Drinking coffee, take a sip, they say I'm sparkling. Manifest, I write it down, you know it's up. Hi, my Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, if you're a return subscriber, hey. So as you all can tell from the title, today we are attempting to do our nails at home. So guys, this is my very first time attempting to do a French tip toenail. And hey, it's our first time for everything, so it's not perfect, but I say let me show you all guys what I do. Right, so as you can see here, I'm actually using some acrylic to adhere my press-on nail on my big toe, and I do the same thing for my fingernails. The reason being not only that it will allow it to hold for longer, but I have flat nail beds both on my hands and on my toes, and the acrylic acts as a builder. It gives my nail a build, so it have something to adhere to. So the nail has something to adhere to instead of just glue on the nail and having space in between. So it's a win-win situation in terms of me. Right, guys, so as you can see here, I know people just go on and paint the rest of their toes, but I am putting on some acrylic on those as well. Right, guys, so I did not show this in the video, but I did go ahead and clean up my toes. I edged my nail beds with my nail file, same thing as what you would do to your fingers. I clean up my toes. I use methylated spirit to ensure that I sanitize and disinfect and kill any germs that I may have, right? That of course I wouldn't see, right? I also buff the surface. Sorry about that, about the dogs, guys. You all know how it goes. But I buff the surface just like what you do to your nails. All of this will aid in allowing the nail to stick to the surface of your nail bed much longer. Right, guys, so as you can see, I did cut and to shape my nail, and it looks so much better that you can actually leave it right here if you want to. But I want to play fast and try something new, so I'm going in with some base coat, and I'm using my white gel polish to try to create a French tip. Now my lines were not straight as possible, but as I said, it's the first time. It's bending here, guys. It's bending here, so it wouldn't be perfect, but I'm gonna get there soon. Also, the thing that I use at the beginning of the video, that extreme bond, that is to help dehydrate the nail, right? And it will also help to allow the nail to stick to your natural nail for longer. So basically what I did to my toes is what I do on my nails, right? My fingernails. And yeah, so that's what it looks like. So now let's go on to the nails, the fingers. Right, guys, so onto the fingernails. So the same thing that we did on our toenails are the same thing we're going to do on our fingernails. So I'm making sure that I use my methylated spirit to clean off any germs or bacteria that I have on my hands or nails, right, before I start. And the process is basically the same thing as what I did on my toes. Now guys, I'm really sorry, but I tried to save this footage as much as possible. Honestly, when I was filming it, I really thought that I was in frame, but I was not. But I still said, let me try to post it. Let me try to see how much of it I can get, so you all can see what it is I do, right? The processing isn't much different from the last time I did this, but yeah, this is what I do. I hope you'll enjoy it and you'll try it for yourself. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me at Shalana Aesthetic on both Instagram and on TikTok. And if it is you like this type of content, beauty content, lifestyle content, whatever, just chit chat, girl talk between you and I, just keep on watching, subscribe, don't forget to click that notification bell, and I will see you guys in another one. Bye.